Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody had a question about color palettes, and pretty smart idea of different customers. I never really have done it because laser engravers don't use colors, but let's say we're going to make a blue square for a customer, take away the outline, and then I'm going to hold down the control button. I might add a little green and a little, so there's a color that's not in our color palette. And then let's make a copy of that, and let's put it down here, and let's add a little yellow holding the other control button, make it a little bit different gray or green. So now with these selected, go up to Windows, Palettes, create palette from selection. And then it's going to ask you, and we're going to go, we're going to call it the XYZ company. And, this way, when they want another drawing later and you use those specific colors, so there's your new color palette. Now we can take it away. We can close that down by close. But then when we, like a year from now, we want to get that, go to Windows, Color Palettes, and Palettes, and there is XYZ Company. We open that up. There's those two colors. You can do it from selecting them, or you can do it from document. Let's do another one real quick. Let's make this one a lighter blue. Hold down the control, add a little dark blue. We'll make this one purple. We're going to hold down the control, make it a little bit lighter purple. Select that one and make it that one, and maybe hold down the control and add a little red, maybe a little green to it. Now we don't have anything selected. We're going to go to, and see nothing selected. We're going to go to Windows, Color Palettes, create from document. So all the colors in the document. We're going to call it XYZ Company 2, because I can readily delete those. And now there's those palettes. So we can close down that one. Well, matter of fact, we can close down all of them. Go to Palettes and close. Clicking that arrow. Palettes and close. So a year from now, somebody wants those colors. We can, say we got our drawing here. We could go to Windows, Palettes, Palettes, and there is XYZ2. We can open it up, check on it, and there's those colors. So we want to make this one that burnt orange. We want to make deep orange. That other one a little bit of blue, and that one a little bit of that weird purple that we made. So you can do it two different ways. I don't really know of a quicker way. He's actually doing it. He was just wondering if there was a quicker way. Anyway, let's hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.